Good morning, everybody. I am so Avtada Madam from Plaza Junior College. Subscribe my YouTube channel and welcome to my YouTube channel. Okay. Today we are going to discuss the higher order derivatives, that is exercise 1.5, question number 3, and some questions are 1, 2, 3. Let us see the examples one by one. The first one is, say, if x equal to 80 square and y equal to 280, then show that xy d2y upon dx square plus a equal to 0. Proof. Consider the given x equal to 80 square and y equal to 280. Okay. These are parametric functions differentiating x with respect to t. A is a constant, differentiation of t square is 2t. This is equal to 2a. And differentiate this also with respect to t. 2a is a constant and differentiation of t with respect to t. Thus we get 2a. Then use the theorem third, that is dy upon dx equal to dy upon dt divided by dx upon dt. Then what is the value of dy upon dt? 2a divided by 2a. 2a get cancels, we get 1 upon t. Thus we get the first derivative is dy upon dt equal to 1 upon t. But we have to prove here. In the proof it is d2y upon dx square with second order derivative is here. So we have to differentiate this equation once again. Differentiating once again, see, then how we are going to write this? Dy upon, write the dy upon dx. D dx of dy upon dx equal to d dx of 1 upon t. This becomes d2y upon dx square, because we are differentiating dy upon dx once again, we get d2y upon dx square. Now next write this as d dt of 1 upon t into dt upon dx. Okay, because here dt get cancels, there is no change in value, we get dx. This is equal to d dt of, say, differentiation of 1 upon t is minus 1 upon t square. We can write this as 1 upon dx upon dt, because we know the value of dx upon dt. So minus 1 upon t square. Then what is the value of dx upon dt? Dx upon dt is 280. Right here 280. Therefore this becomes minus 1 divided by 280 cube, that is d2y upon dx square. Now here we can write this as d2y upon dx square equal to, split this as 280 1 upon 280. Then what remains here? Put minus sign. 280 and t. Okay. So make the adjustment here, divide and multiply by a. So this becomes minus a divided by 280 into 80 square. Here it is t square, because 280 to t square gives 280 cube. Therefore this becomes like this. Now we can write d2y upon dx square equal to minus a divided by 280 equal to y and 80 square equal to x. Then by cross multiplication we can write xy d2y upon dx square equal to minus a. We can write this as xy d2y upon dx square plus a equal to 0. This is the proof. We here we get minus 1 upon 280 cube because 280 into 80 square gives 282. Once again write this as 280 into t square and divide and multiply by a. There is no change in its value. Now this becomes minus a divided by this. This is equal to y and this is equal to x. Okay. Then by cross multiplication we can write like this. Take minus a on LHS. This becomes plus. Thus we prove the result. Next, consider the second one. The second one is 1 plus x square into d2y upon dx square. Sorry, given that if y equal to e raised to m tan inverse x, then show that 1 plus x square into d2y upon dx square plus 2x minus m into dy upon dx equal to 0. Okay, this is given y equal to e raised to m into tan inverse x. Now we have to prove the result. See, this is, we have to prove this. So, prove. Consider y equal to e raised to m tan inverse x. Differentiating with respect to x, put first e raised to m tan inverse x as it is into d dx of m into tan inverse x. This is equal to e raised to m tan inverse x. Here m is a constant number, take it outside the bracket, and differentiation of tan inverse x is 1 upon 1 plus x square. Now this becomes dy upon dx equal to m. This is m. Now see, this is the value of y. So put this equal to y divided by 1 plus x square. Now by cross multiplication we can write this term into this term. 1 plus x square into dy upon dx equal to m1. Then what is the proof? See here d2y upon dx square is there. So we are going to differentiate once again. Put this 1 plus x square. Apply here UV formula. Differentiation of this term is d2y upon dx square plus u, that is dy upon dx, and differentiation of this term 1 plus x square. Differentiation of 1 is 0. Differentiation of x square is 2x. Here m is a constant term. Differentiation of y with respect to x is dy upon dx. Once again here apply here UV formula. This is u dv upon dx plus v into u equal to m into dy upon dx. Next, 1 plus x square d2y upon dx square plus 2x dy upon dx. Take this term on LHS. This becomes minus. Then what is the proof? 1 plus x square into d2y upon dx square plus 2x minus m into dy upon dx equal to 0. Thus we prove the result. Okay. Next, consider the third example. The third example is x equal to cos t and y equal to e raised to mt. Then show that 1 minus x square d2y upon dx square minus x dy upon dx minus m square y equal to 0. Proof. This implies t equal to cos inverse x. Therefore, we can write the equation y as here e raised to m. In place of t, put the value of cos inverse x. Put here cos inverse x. Next, differentiate with respect to x. dy upon dx equal to, put e raised to m cos inverse x as it is, because d dx of e raised to x is e raised to x, so we can write this first. Next, differentiation of m into cos inverse x. Okay, this is equal to e raised to m cos inverse x. Differentiation of m cos inverse x, m is a constant. Differentiation of cos inverse x is minus 1 divided by square root of 1 minus x square. The next, e raised to m into cos inverse x, dy upon dx equal to, m into e raised to m cos inverse x into, right here minus 1 divided by square root of 1 minus x. Then by cross multiplication we can write square root of 1 minus x square into dy upon dx equal to minus m into y. This is equal to multiplying, squaring on both sides. We get 1 minus x square dy upon dx raised to 2 m square twice. Therefore, differentiating once again, 1 minus x square, this is u, this is v, 2 dy upon dx into d2y upon dx square, plus this is constant dy upon dx raised to 2, and differentiation of 1 is 0, differentiation of x square is minus 2x. This is equal to m square into 2y dy upon dx. Here m square is constant. Next, now 1 minus x square 2 dy upon dx d2y upon dx square plus minus 2x dy upon dx raised to 2 minus 2 m square, right here 2y dy upon dx m square equal to 0. Dividing throughout by 2 dy upon dx, here everywhere is 2 dy upon dx, we can write 1 minus x square d2y upon dx square minus, here remains x dy upon dx, means 2 dy upon dx get cancels, minus here also 2 dy upon dx get cancelled, m square. This is the proof. Here y remains m square y equal to 0. Okay, we will see the next example in the next video. Goodbye.